Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will show you how to do a bridge match workouts at home. This one is good for ladies. Let's go. You're changing. Keep your leg, make sure you keep your leg like this. Don't let your hip touch the floor. Stay on it high. Oh, the rest. Then you can change. Change. Put your leg like this. Make sure your hand is here. This one can help your back. Your back. If you're having difficulties with your back, this one can really help stretch your back.